What's up, YouTube? It's your girl China, and today we're gonna do a makeup transformation with me, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I am currently sick right now. Like, after the kids get sick, I always get sick, so just bear with me right now. So right now I'm using the Juvia's Place eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna go in this with the shade 2, and we're just gonna pat that and blend that all in. So after that, I did the cut crease, you guys. I did a cut crease. This stuff is moving so fast, I'm sorry. I did a cut crease, but you guys couldn't really tell because the mirror was there. So I apologize for that. Excuse me. I'm really sick right now. And I'm going to just let y'all continue to watch this tutorial. All the links will be in the description. Thank you so much. And I love you guys. Can't wait for the next one. So right here, I'm trying to show you the process of me trying to cut the crease. So what I did was let some of that eyeshadow base sit for a little bit. That's what I learned. When the eyeshadow base is wet with the colors and stuff like that, I can't really move around with it because it's so movie and runny. So I let that dry a little bit, y'all, and I think I really mastered this cut crease, y'all. Okay, so I know I was, not on here a lot, but like for the last 3 days, I call that a lot, but y'all know your girl be consistent, right? But girl, tell me why I'ma only do fire ass looks that y'all can really, cause nobody wanna see no boring ass tutorial all the time. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's getting boring, and I feel like y'all just getting bored with me. So I'ma just pipe my game up. So I'm doing more researches, looks, I'm doing more challenges, I'm doing all of that stuff. So you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I usually wanted to do like little things, but I don't really feel well, y'all, so I'm gonna just give it to y'all raw. Y'all see that elf primer, my regular routine prime foundation. That was the Fenty Skin that I used, the fat water, and now I'm priming, which I moisturized already in the beginning. So now I'm concealing with the Juvia's. Y'all know what it is, and if y'all didn't know, look in the description. All the products will be right there with my shades. So if you're like a shade twin, what's up, girl? Go on my description and you'll see all of the colors and everything that I use. I have Amazon links and Juvia's Place, because Juvia's Place is my girl. Like, oh my goodness, I just need to stop because I just ordered stuff from P. Louise. Y'all, we gonna have a little unboxing packaging coming soon, because I want to do nice looks that y'all can really follow through, because nobody want to, come on. I feel like the beginner space is taked up already. It's given taked up. So we just gonna do crazy look. Halloween is coming up. Stay tuned for that, because y'all know it's about to go down. I don't even really know how to draw like that, but I'm gonna try to do all of these Halloween crazy looks, y'all. I bought the paint, I got everything. So we gonna do this look, okay? So I'm gonna just let y'all watch. I know I said that the first time, but I'm gonna really let y'all watch because who want to keep hearing my voice? Like, no, sis, no, shut up, okay? So enjoy the video. Click that like button and that red subscribe button right there, y'all. Bing, 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 bing. All right, I'm doing so much. You see, this is why I don't like talking, because I can't stop. I love y'all, though, okay? Just continue to watch. Wait to the end. You already know. Y'all be scrolling past my shit. Oh, okay. Nah, that's the sickness, y'all. That's the sickness talking. Can y'all make me some chicken noodle soup? Oh yeah, y'all, I wanted to tell y'all, please don't say nothing about my nails. Please don't come for me, because what it is I don't like popping it off. I feel like it hurts my nails when I pop it off, so I leave it to whenever it pops off. I know it sounds crazy, but I always did this ever since I was a kid. Like, I don't like popping off the nail because it like breaks and tears my nail apart, so I just leave it to when it pops off. But y'all don't gotta worry about that, because I'm not gonna do my nails until my birthday, November 10th, Scorpio season. I'm too hyped and I'm sick, y'all. So y'all know, on my birthday, all I want to do is sit here and record. Like, it be so fun to me. I wish I had more time to do it, but these kids, y'all, Lord. These kids. But y'all know, I post 3 times a week off the rip already. You know what I'm saying? So, and if I don't, something wrong. You know what I'm saying? Check on me, because I really love doing this. So, regardless of what, no views or views, you gonna see your girl posting. Okay? Okay, sis. Okay. Yeah. I'm sick as hell, y'all. I don't know what. I just was taking... First, my daughter came home sick, right? Let me just chit-chat with y'all real quick. First, my daughter came home sick. And it's like these schools don't even care. They be like, okay, all right, go home, get your whole family sick. And then what? You know, I don't know if y'all know me or not. Y'all should know that my son has, you know, medical issues. He had surgery and stuff. So I don't play with this cold season stuff and this COVID. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't. So when she come home sick, and it's like, girl, how? I told you to put the mask on. The mask is not on. Yes, mommy, the mask on. People coughing. Why is they coughing? Okay, they cough. All right, cool. You know, and it's like, it's just ridiculous. Like, I don't understand. I don't think it's COVID, because I test her. She don't got COVID, but I didn't test me, because at this point, I don't even want to know. It just got to hurry up and go. But it's like, she come home and now she got my son sick. He gave the cold to me, you know, during the whole time my son was sick. He was running around like nothing never happened. You know what I'm saying? He fine, but then it hit me like boom. Now I'm sick, y'all. So I just got to stay away from them and just, you know, try to still keep this house together, y'all, because this is crazy. But yeah, now my 10-year-old daughter was sick, and now my almost 3-year-old son is well, he not sick now. You know, they was both sick. Now I'm sick. Like, yo, this is crazy. The cold is messing with my brains, everything, y'all. But I really wanted to say, like, this is my first time really achieving the cut crease. And that's only, this is the 2 e.l.f. putty blushes. And one is in Midwives, and the other one is in, is in Caribbean. Hold on. Yeah, y'all. It's not in Caribbean. It's in Bahamas. Okay, and what I do, because Bahamas was little too light and the midwives, I think that's the name, links will be in the description, it was a little too dark, so I mixed those two together and that was the perfect color. You know, I really want Rare Beauty, but y'all, these people is not getting my money for Christmas. Okay, I have stuff to do, and look at me with the mirror in my face. This is the problem. I have to get a smaller mirror. But Rare Beauty is gonna wait until Christmas, and then I'm gonna get her. But all for right now, these Elf 2 blushes, it be popping off. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it really look good. Like, and then you just damp it out with a little sponge, soak it up, and blend it in, y'all. The key to this is blending. You feel what I'm saying? This is just a Baddie transformation tutorial. So what, should I show y'all how to do it? Y'all don't need to know. Y'all just need to look. You feel what I'm saying? Because I feel like I learn best when I just be watching. Nobody got to explain nothing really to me. You feel what I'm saying? Like, all I got to do is see, and I'll be like, oh, all right, that's this. Especially if you know makeup already. You know that's setting powder, that's concealer, that's foundation, bop, bop, bop. You feel what I'm saying? And you just beat your face, and you got to know how you want your face to sculpt. You get what I'm saying? Me, my face is real round, so I put the contour right on top of my cheeks. You feel what I'm saying? What the hell did I just do right there? Nah, I'm leaving that in, because, girl, you nasty. Like, what did I just do just now? Like, what? No, I didn't just turn and do that. Yeah, y'all, and I did this video mad long ago, and I'm now editing it today for it to go out today. Like, something is wrong with my little sick brain right now, because I don't know what's wrong with me, bro. You feel what I'm saying? It's just been a lot going on, y'all. Bear with me though, because your girl, this is just my beauty escape. Oh yeah, and I changed my name, y'all, to Beauty with China instead of Keeping Up with China, because girl, nobody want to keep up with you. Like, what are you talking about? So I put Beauty with China, and I feel like when I do this, it's just like my beauty escape from, you know, all of the stuff that I go through. Being a mom, you know, sometimes you need a little escape. I don't really go out. I don't go nowhere. I'm a homebody, y'all. Like, a homebody. I do this, dress up, and do this just for y'all. And then guess what I do? Take it back off, pull my wig back off, slap my makeup back off, and relax. You know what I'm saying? That's all I do. I do this because I love y'all, and it's just an escape for my mind, my soul, and my everything. Because, girl, you're going to be stressed out. What the hell? Why I just smile for? Yeah, something wrong with me. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest of them all? And now, yeah, I think it's the medicine that I have. But no funny stuff. I'm about to get back to recording. Period. And, you know, I'm gonna have my videos ready. What I should do is put out this video tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But that's like, if I was, I don't know. There's something else I wanted to say. I didn't know what I was going to talk about. I was going to tell y'all the steps that I was going to do, but I'm like, you know what? I don't feel good. Like, let me complain to y'all, you know, my friends. I ain't got no other friends. So, yeah. I'm a loner, and, yeah. Look at me. I put on all this stuff, get cute for y'all and everything, like I'm going on a date. And then y'all should see how I look right now. I should insert a picture of me doing a voice record like, girl, what happened? Bro, what happened? Girl, I'm fucked up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Yeah. All right, I'm going to stop talking for real, because I'm almost done. My other tutorials will be linked below, too. You know, I have other step-by-step tutorials that I don't talk shit like this, so if you want to see that, check that out. I should be better in a few days. And your girl will be back on the prowl. You feel what I'm saying? All right, I love y'all so much. Later, beauties.